If your address bar is like this one is not showing on the taskbar setting, so how you can enable that? So now you can see that I have no address bar over here in the taskbar setting. Right click and go to the toolbars, and here you will see that address bar. So now it appears on the bottom of the screen. So now you type any website URL here and hit enter, and this will be open in your default browser. Like I have written here google.com, and it is open my Opera default browser. So you can save your time and directly insert the URL here instead to the paste on the default browser open and then paste it on the URL. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.